Hello everybody. Today I got me a new RC truck. It's a Wild Challenge Turbo. I'll make a whole nother video of looking over this truck. On this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all me driving. So I'll see y'all guys when we get outside. Alright guys, we just got outside. Hopefully y'all guys can see this RC truck. Kinda hard to see, but yeah, y'all should be able to. Yeah, do you see it's a pretty cool little RC truck. Got a pretty good bit of power, only costs $50. I'm guessing y'all guys can't actually see this. I'm hoping so. Try to get up this little hill right here. Oh, we got it. Move the camera right here. This thing is just throwing rocks. I'm thinking of a way to maybe I can rig the camera on here. Maybe some other video. But I'm gonna start doing some of these RC videos. And make kind of like a little obstacle course all the way around my yard. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. I'm guessing you guys can see that. I will be figuring out better ways to video all of these. I'm gonna try to make a camera on here. Oh, we flipped it, but alright, I'm gonna put y'all on here. On that little mound, I'm gonna try to jump it. There we go. Jump this little mound right here. So yeah, that thing's pretty cool. This video ain't over yet. But y'all guys stay tuned. I'm gonna go charge the battery because it's starting to get a little weak, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright guys. So I got a little different camera angle. I'm gonna jump the truck right over the camera. Oh, y'all guys didn't see that. I kind of missed where the camera is. Let's try that again. Y'all guys saw that? And I don't have a slow motion thing right now. For the next video, I'm gonna have a slow motion. So y'all guys stay tuned for that. Oh, I popped the wheelie. Go do some more donuts. Alright. I'll move y'all back on your little camera stand. Hope y'all guys will enjoy this video. I'm also gonna be making probably some videos with me and other people with trucks just like this. I don't know what the website is to get some of these trucks, but I'll let y'all know in the next video what the website is. I have to go look on the back. I'll put it down. I'll put the website down. Actually, yeah, I'll put the website down on this description on every RC video. Because they sell these. They sell like a little go-kart type truck. And they sell every like single part. Like shocks, new motor, tires, axle. All of that. And these things are really built tough because I was riding it yesterday. I did a whole bunch of jumps on that same one that y'all saw. So yeah, these little trucks are here for $50. These trucks are like, I mean, you can't get no better for $50. I guarantee you that. Landed that jump. Hopefully y'all guys seen that. Go do some donuts. Oh, let's go. They got a little ditch over here. Says it goes 42 kilometers per hour, so that's pretty fast. I believe I'll have to look that up, but on the next video I'll tell you how much that is in miles per hour. I think it's like, I don't remember really, but I'll have to look it up. And I'll tell you guys in the next video. Oh. This truck is very, very fun too. If y'all guys never really had like RC, like the ones from Walmart aren't even nearly as good as this. And the gas ones go like 60 miles per hour, but they cost like $400. So I mean, for $50 on eBay, you can or go on the website and you can buy this. Oh, I flipped it. Yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, this video is really not really doing any obstacle courses with this thing here. Mostly just, I took out the light. I'm gonna be making this video, and after this video, I'm making one just talking about the truck. Only gonna be like maybe 2, 3 minutes at the most. But yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna make another video probably on the obstacle course. And hopefully you guys will enjoy that. So I'm gonna sign y'all out with the jump, but y'all guys didn't see that. I'm gonna sign y'all out with the jump, and then I'll see y'all guys next time. And I'm gonna try to post almost everyday videos now. Maybe not of all RC, but for the next couple of days, yeah. Dang it, I missed that dang thing again. I missed. Alright guys, well, I'ma go. Hope y'all guys enjoy these videos. Y'all guys have a good day. And I'll see y'all guys next time.